is video too. We're going to be exploring the old ancient city. So we are going to be checking this out. And it looks like we can go in. Hello. So it looks like we can go in. Looks like this is the exit right here. So all the people are here are going out. And then I think this one is the one that's going in. So we're going to be going in as well. Hello. So stay tuned. Lots of friendly people. Lots of different kinds of people too. I'll talk about that as well. Okay, let's go check it all out. Kashgar, China, up on the map. We're very, very close to Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, all the different stands. So you saw that up on the map as well. You saw a little bit of a preview as well. And we're going to get right into it. And we're walking around something called the Kashi Old City. So this is my second video. I think I have maybe 8 or 9 total. So let's do this as if you're there yourself. Kashgar, Xinjiang, China. Okay, so it looks like we're going to be going in that way. So I got to put the phone away. Okay, now we're on the other side. So we are going to check it out. So yeah, it looks like when I did the other video it was much earlier, and now it's a little bit later. So a lot more people out, and we're on a different side. So I don't know if that other side is. I've been seeing a lot of people wearing cowboy hats around here. There's one there too. But I saw it on the plane, and I don't know if that's the thing in this area. They like to wear cowboy hats like that. Maybe because of the heat. Okay. So pretty cool. Lots of different people. Just kind of see. Yeah, I actually can also see what some of the Uyghur people look like as well. Okay. So yeah, so let me kind of give you some information about stuff. We're gonna also go down some side streets. The side streets are pretty cool looking. So we are going to go maybe. It seems we see some that look interesting. You see the script on the back. Has like the Uyghur language as well. Hello. Oh, it looks kind of cool. Actually, I've seen those. I think I saw those in Zhuhai. I really want to get something to drink. Yeah, one of the things I was going to say was that we're actually. Kashgar is very close to the Afghan border. It's only 57 miles away. Look it up. So I was kind of curious myself. Okay, I'm going to try to get down to one of these side alleys, but I'll have to keep you guys a little bit entertained as well. Hello. I do want some drinks. I have to be careful because that's don't want to get sick either. Okay, so they have these kind of main ones, and then they also have these little alleys. And I also just want to show the language too. So there's the Uyghur language. It looks a bit like Arabic, but you'll see it everywhere. You'll see it up there, up there. And if you go down these alleys, they have all kinds of other stuff too. And I don't know what they all are. Like, I don't know if they're business or homes. That looks like a home. Let's see, we're gonna meander through some of them. Then we kind of get an idea. But yeah, I think they represent what used to be here a long time ago. So I don't think that these have been here themselves for all that time. I think we might have run into a dead end here. But it looks like people definitely are living in them. Even put their trash out in them. Huh. We're actually like inside of one. Yeah, kind of cool. So usually I don't put myself in the pictures that often, but I will in this one because got that beautiful little corridor that looks better when I'm in it than when I'm just filming blank. But anyways, we're gonna get back into the main street. Kind of meandering about. Just kind of see. Yeah, just buy some clothing. And we're gonna come back out to buy bread. Actually, that bread is like really tasty. Like, it looks like it's been sitting out too long, but for some reason it's like really well made. And then I think this means we're here. And my understanding is I did video 1, which I think is this half. So now I think I understand it, and then we can wander around in this half. So I think that major road cuts it in half. So I started in the second half. I don't know if they call it the east half and the west half, or how they call that exactly, but you can buy beer. Yeah, there's no shortage of alcohol. Like this area, yeah, it's garlic. Kind of want to try that. Okay, let's go a little bit further ahead. Hello.
Hello, hello.
Oh, what do you got? Oh, sure. No, okay. It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. 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 Bye, guys. See you. I guess they're promoting a show. Okay. So kind of cool. That might be the show right here, I think. Oh yeah, that's the show. Okay. Okay. I guess this one sells fish. But we're pretty far away from... I saw something in Urumqi last night where they had these eggs. Okay. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down one of these alleys. I think that could definitely keep going down, but since this one has like a little gateway, we'll just go down it. I think I might keep this one. Ancient city of Kashgar. I think I won't keep this. There's all these little things here too. I love China. So we're gonna take a look down here too. These are like little tourist items. I did see some really nice instruments in Tashkent. Wow. Let's see. There's different mileage. I think these go to like Shanghai, Beijing, Hong Kong. Maybe not. There's Australia right there. It's not Australia. These are provinces. I don't know what they are. But the distance wise, I think it's about 4,000 to Hong Kong. Really cool. So yeah, I got all kinds of really photogenic things. And then we got I just saw a giant moth, so I think this looks like one of the exits. Or no, that's the a tower. We get closer anyways. Oh, okay. I think these are places that you can rent. I think they rent them out and they wear them. So I think that woman down there in the gold is probably. Oh, look at that. She's probably renting it out. You go all the way down, and I think I'm gonna have to go through that again. So, but that would be, looks like an entrance gate, anyways. I think we're just gonna come across. And then we'll just end it right there. Pretty cool. I think in the evening we're going to see a lot of dancers in this area. A little bit hot right now, but yeah, I think in the evening it's going to be. I think I saw some videos, and they were kind of in these kind of squares like this. But anyways, maybe I'll go back. There's some nice, beautiful. I was going to turn it off, but I kind of want to see this. Okay, so I don't know if we're going to come to a dead end or shouldn't come to a dead end, because I think it makes sense if this was open different directions. But it is beautiful, very colorful. Okay, we're just kind of meandering about, a little bit lost. We're going to try to get to the main street again, and this would be another slice of Kashgar. Later I'm going to also try to get stuff in the city itself, and I'm also going to definitely come back in the evening when the lights are down. I think it's going to really come to life, and I think there's going to be some dancing and different stuff happening. But it is pretty cool. It's fun to walk around. Thought that was the main street there. I don't know. So I don't know if this is real or not. It says historic, but it's spelled wrong. So I don't know. Let's go down this way. We're gonna try to find the. There's some kind of cool stuff we can throw out. Even a soccer field. Okay, we're gonna try to meander and get back to the main street of the ancient market. There's lots of these little alleys that are pretty interesting. Oh, there's even little. Okay, anyways, try to figure this out. Check that out. So they wrapped up all the wires. So the wires are. The guy's telling me, but I'm gonna. It's like kind of a Uyghur feature. But the wires are kind of wrapped up. That was kind of cool. So I think the main street's going to come up. Barbershop. I think these are. They must do these in the evening. People must rent those clothing and put them on. Because I think I saw that a lot in here. That I almost got the impression that Uyghur people wear those clothes or and dance. There was somebody that was saying in the Chinese community that Uyghurs just really like to dance a lot. But maybe, I don't know, we'll see in the evening. Let's see what that's like. So now we're back on one of the main streets again. And I'm going to check out that building right there. Okay, so we are going to go back. And I'm going to close this one in a moment. So I think that they are renting, I don't know, actually, I'm not sure. I don't know if they rent them or confusing. Or if that's actually Uyghur traditional dress and people are Uyghurs and are wearing them. I don't know which. Lots of we got kebab. Some melon. Lots of different drinks. Pomegranate is one that I see everywhere. There might be sweets. Okay, so we're coming at the gate again. And I'm going to come to an ending to this particular video. Before we exit, there's actually other streets to go all the way down that way as well. We basically kind of went and meandered that way, so basically I'm just kind of saying we just kind of did a slice of it. We're gonna head on up. I think I heard a hello. It said I think you can hear them say hello, so okay.